Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading a story called A Bird Named Fern. A Bird Named Fern is a fantasy. A fantasy is a made-up story that could not happen in real life and often has animal characters that talk and act like people. Our essential question today is, what can you see in the sky? Read about how a bird named Fern learns about clouds. Pay close attention as we look for key ideas and details that will help you answer our questions later on. Follow along with me. Get your reading finger ready. Let's start at the title. Ready? Begin. A bird named Fern. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest. So she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it. I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. So you're going to go to your Google Forms and you're going to answer some questions about a bird named Fern. Alrighty?